Great value in this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo located in the desirable Hamptons at Kings Lake, offering a serene landscaped view from the lanai. This well-maintained unit features an AC system installed in December 2019 with a 10-year warranty and a new water heater installed in July 2025. The front windows are hurricane impact, and the lanai is equipped with an electric Kevlar storm screen for added protection and convenience. Enjoy peaceful, private landscape views from the spacious 210 square feet lanai, which also includes a convenient storage closet. The condo also offers a charming front entry porch seating area. The building is surrounded by lush, mature, and beautifully maintained landscaping. Ideally located just 4 miles from downtown 5th Avenue South with its renowned restaurants, shopping, and beaches. Walking distance to Kings Lake Square for grocery stores, dining, and everyday conveniences. Residents also enjoy access to the scenic 1+ mile walking, jogging, and biking path that circles Kings Lake,